your friend Daljit Singh. I am riding to Chitkul along with my friend Kamal Singh. Today's ride is going to be very exciting. We are riding on the high mountain roads of Kinnaur along river Satluj and Baspa. Chitkul is 597 kilometers from New Delhi. We shall also ride through Sangla Valley, which is the best camping destination in India. Kinnaur has the most dangerous roads in India. You have to ride along river Satluj on one end and rocky mountains with overhanging cliffs on the other hand. The road is smooth but very narrow. This is a very thrilling part of the ride, but next part of the road is going to be crazy. Can you imagine a road with 2000 feet drop on one side and that too without railing? Coming up next. Just hold your breath. Wow! Kinnaur has the best mountains ranging from 7,000 feet to 22,000 feet. Wow, what a spectacular ride! On my left side, it is 2000 feet deep and no railing. My God! We are soon reaching Sangla Valley. Sangla Valley is the best known destination for camping. You have Baspa River flowing right in the middle of the valley and snow-capped mountains on either side. The road in the Sangla Valley is narrow and rugged. Sangla Valley is known for the best apples in the world, and we are going to visit one apple orchard. The roads are bumpy, but my GoPro 7 Black is giving me Hypersmooth video. Right down there are many camping sites, and you can camp there for days. This area has a long winter and remains covered under snow for more than 6 months. The Sangla Valley and Chitkul is the home for snow leopards and black bear. We stop for a moment for the photo session of the day. We are reaching Chitkul. We will stay here tonight, and tomorrow morning we will visit the Indo-China border last post. What a beautiful sight to see Chitkul, the last village of India on Indo-China border. Welcome to Chitkul. We are going to see the best apples in the world. Look at the deep red color of these delicious apples. What a beautiful morning in Chitkul. The murmuring sound of river Baspa invited us for a morning ride. We found a Tibetan breed dog called Kalu, who became our inseparable friend. He played all through morning like long lost friends. The paradise was all around us. The chilling morning breeze and the murmuring sound of river Baspa infused a new life into us. Time to visit the last post on the Indo-China border, but Kalu won't let us go any further. He wants to play more and more. The doggies are men's best friends. It was so emotional seeing Kalu coming behind us and following us and not let us go any further. We will never forget you, dear friend, but we have to go. Now we are going to the last post on Indo-China border. We are here to give our salute to the brave soldiers who are there defending our country and its borders. The border post is a 3-kilometer ride from Chitkul. Riding along beautiful Baspa Valley. Now we are reaching the last post of Indian Army on the Indo-China border. Behind me is the border post, but photography is not much allowed over there, so we have to restrict our photography. Victory and a salute to Indian Army. We feel proud and safe in the hands of our armed soldiers who are defending our borders. Jai Hind! Chitkul, the paradise village, will remain in our minds forever and we shall visit again. Hope you like this video. If you like it, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.